This quick guide will teach you how to request changes in GitLab, whether you're collaborating on a project or simply reviewing some code. Knowing how to request changes effectively can smooth out your workflow and ensure high-quality contributions. So let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to navigate to GitLab on your web browser and log into your account. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. The left sidebar is your main navigation tool in GitLab, and it holds the key to accessing all your project needs. For what we're doing today, you'll want to focus on the section titled Merge Requests. This is where you'll find all the ongoing merge requests that you have access to, including those you may need to review or alter. Once you click on Merge Requests, you'll be presented with a list of all the active requests in your project. Take a moment to locate the specific merge request you want to review. It might be helpful to use any filters or search options available if you're dealing with a long list. Once you've found the request you want to work on, click on it to open up the detailed view. Now that you're viewing the merge request, you'll see a range of options available to you. What we're interested in today is adding our feedback. Look for the button that says Your Review. This is your gateway to providing input on the current merge request. Clicking this button will open up options for you to express your thoughts on the code changes. Among the options available, you'll see one labeled Request Changes. This is the option you'll select when you believe the proposed changes need some adjustments before they can be merged. Selecting Request Changes conveys that you're asking the author or contributor of the code to make revisions. It's a crucial part of code review, ensuring that everyone agrees on the quality and functionality of the code before it becomes a permanent part of the project. After selecting Request Changes, you'll have the opportunity to add a comment. This step is very important. While it might be tempting to just request changes without further explanation, providing clear and constructive feedback will make the process more efficient and collaborative. In your comment, try to be as detailed as possible about what changes you're suggesting and why. This could involve pointing out specific lines of code, suggesting alternative solutions, or highlighting potential issues that need addressing. The goal is to be helpful and constructive, guiding the code author to make the necessary improvements. Once you've composed your comment, look for the Submit button. By clicking this, you officially submit your request for changes along with your comments. At this point, the author of the merge request will be notified of your feedback, and they can begin making the necessary changes. You've now completed the process of requesting changes in GitLab. In summary, requesting changes in GitLab is a straightforward process that plays a vital role in ensuring code quality and team collaboration. By navigating to the Merge Request section, clicking Your Review, selecting Request Changes, and providing constructive comments, you make it possible for your team to iterate and improve the codebase effectively. Remember, great feedback is clear, specific, and supportive, driving the project forward with each review. So that's how to request changes in GitLab. With these steps, you can confidently contribute to your team's success and maintain the high standards of your project. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.